Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Pashmika, the channel where we make the jewelry tutorials, everything about the jewelries. In today's video, I'm gonna talk about, I'm gonna show you how to make this beautiful silicone bracelet. It's entirely made from the silicone and the wire elements. I'm gonna show you how to make one. Without further ado, let's get started with that. Before we go back, click in the like button, guys. I do really appreciate that. If you want more such video future, consider subscribing, hit the bell icon. Whenever I'm gonna upload new videos, you're gonna get notified about it. Also, if you're looking forward for jewelry templates like the earrings templates or design ideas, then I have my top 100 of the design ideas or which you can very well download it. It's a PDF download. The link is in the description box below. You can download it, you can take a print out of it, and then you can use it as a template for your jewelries, or you can simply use it as a design idea. The link is in the description box below. Without further ado, let's get started. result of beautiful silicone bracelet that I have made. Hopefully you find this video useful. Let me know what you think. If you find this tutorial useful, let me know what you think in the comment section below. Do you want more bracelet videos or earrings videos, or any video request is really welcome. Thank you so much for tuning in this tutorial. I'll gonna see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye guys.